In previous section, I discussed about electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. One example of electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. About nitration and mechanism of nitration of phenol clearly explained in the previous section. Today, I am going to teach you the next example of electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. Another example of electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenation reaction of phenol. Reaction of phenol with halogen like bromine is called halogenation reaction. Already I said halogenation reaction of phenol is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. When phenol reacts with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide or chloroform at 273 Kelvin produce orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Here we can use carbon disulfide or chloroform. Both are low polar solvents. During this reaction, Br, one of the bromine from Br2, replace H from the ortho position, okay, and form HBr. So HBr is a byproduct, and the remaining Br will add to carbon and form orthobromophenol. Exactly like this, one of the Br take H from the para position and form HBr, produce parabromophenol. When phenol react with the bromine water, okay, bromine water, the product is 2,4,6 tribromophenol, and this product is a white precipitate. Okay, product is white precipitate. Here multiple substitution will take place. Okay, 3Br2, we can write 3Br2 like this: Br, then Br. Okay, then H from here HBr, then H from para position HBr, and from again ortho position produce this product. For the usual halogenation, along with the Br2, always require FeBr3. Okay, FeBr3. If halogen is Cl2, require AlCl3. For example, for the halogenation of benzene or other aromatic compound like chlorobenzene, along with the bromine, FeBr3 is required. If halogen is chlorine, require AlCl3. What is the importance of FeBr3? FeBr3 acts as a Lewis acid. Okay, this compound is a Lewis acid because due to the vacant orbital present in iron, then this compound can accept electron from other species. Okay, any compound accept electron from other species are called a Lewis acid. This FeBr3 first react with Br2 form FeBr4 minus plus Br plus is electrophile. How it happened? Br minus Br with this 2 electron give to FeBr3, because FeBr3 is a Lewis acid, so this compound can accept bromine and the electron and form FeBr4 minus. What is remaining? Br without electron, that is Br plus. Okay, Br plus is also called an electrophile. Br plus is an electrophile. It like electrons. So what is the role of FeBr3 here? FeBr3 help to generate electrophile Br plus from Br2. Then what about AlCl3? AlCl3 exactly like this. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. Instead of Br2, Cl2, and compound is Al. What is here? Cl. AlCl4 minus. Instead of Br plus, AlCl4 minus. Cl minus added to AlCl3 form, AlCl4 minus plus Cl plus. Cl plus is electrophile. Okay. So in the presence of Cl2, we are using AlCl3. Then electrophile generated here is Cl plus. But here the halogen is Br2. So we can use FeBr3, and FeBr3 create or generate electrophile Br plus from Br2. And this electrophile Br plus undergo electrophilic substitution reaction with benzene or other benzene related compound like chlorobenzene form substituted product. But this case, in the case of phenol, FeBr3 is not required. FeBr3 is not required. If halogen is Cl2, AlCl3 is not required if starting compound is phenol. I repeat, if the starting compound is phenol, for halogenation reaction FeBr3 or AlCl3 is not required. Why? OH group present on the benzene ring is highly activating, and this group increase the activating effect of phenol, or it increase the electron density of phenol. So due to this high activating effect, this compound itself polarized Br2 into Br plus and Br minus. That is, in the presence of phenol, Br2 directly will change to Br plus and Br minus. Here Br plus is electrophile. So electrophile generate directly from Br2. Why? Due to the presence of high activating phenol. For this reaction, FeBr3, Lewis acid FeBr3 is not required. For halogenation using Cl2 also, AlCl3 is not required. Br2 will undergo self-polarization. Br2 will undergo self-polarization and form electrophile, and this electrophile undergo electrophilic substitution with the phenol and form orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Did you get it? Okay.